Alright, so here we are at MISFIRE in Spencerport, New York, right by Rochester, for losers quarters. We got Draxsel, we got Fun China. So we got Captain Falcon versus Diddy Kong. Should be an interesting one. Matchup we've seen quite often. And we'll go into Smashville to start off. So here we go. Banana's out. Right off the start here. Back up coming through. Gets down. Ooh, wow. Gets a down throw. Immediately gets an up air. Fair comes out. The Gentleman also comes out. Oh, goes for the spike early. That would have been pretty brutal. Ooh. Oh. Turns around to the F smash. They probably would have taken the stock if he hits him on the roll. Slips on the banana peel. Gets a fair. Banana's back out. Picked up by Draxsel. Draxsel throws it right off stage. Doesn't want a piece of that, but he gets a piece of that down forward smash. And sends Fun China off stage. Recovers very well, though. Fair. No real follow-up, but he's going to get jabbed. Gentleman right out of there. Ooh, the Falcon dive. Very smart. Knew he was going to shield right up there. Okay. Trying to go for a trump. A little too early. Gentleman's right back off. Goes to the back air. Does not connect. Giving Fun China stage control. And the Draxsel boost, as we call it. Taking the first stock from Fun China. So. Monkey flip. Nothing doing though, but does get that fair. Get up attack doesn't hit, neither does the monkey flip. Fun China back off stage. Get back to ledge. Safe recovery, just kind of lets him back. Misses the dash, picks up the banana with the dash attack. He's got it, throws it on shield. Nice little up throw, but he's going to slip on the banana peel, so no follow-up. Little monkey flip, knocks him away. Ooh, wow. It's down tilt after the banana. Forward smash, knocking Draxsel off stage. Draxsel makes it back to ledge. There comes out, gets grabbed, thrown right off with the F throw. Banana thrown down, does not connect with Draxsel, and Draxsel is right back on stage. Grab from Fun China again, the pummels come through, another forward throw. Peanut is grabbed. Throws that Peanut, gets grabbed again by Fun China, it's passed around the Peanuts. Ooh, monkey flips right through him. He wanted to get the grab, but couldn't. Too close. And Draxsel has been living for a while, but he hasn't touched Fun China yet, so I mean, pretty crazy. Okay, there you go. He's got 1%. He's going to get Tom Brady right off stage here. He's going to have to try to make it back. Does for now. He's on ledge. Nice little roll on. He's going to lose his stock after that one. Gets hit by the banana up smash. On a nice little option on the roll in. So, banana's back in play. Thrown in. Gets a grab. Back throws coming out now from Fun China. Fun China's got the banana back out. Collides with the Falcon kick, stopping him right in his tracks as Draxsel trying to find something here. And he's already hit 85% on this last stock and gets a grab. Okay. Draxsel runs back through, gets another grab. The nair goes for the knee, goes for the down air, going for all these options off stage. Can't hit any of them, unfortunately. Runs right through, tries to go for the pivot grab, doesn't get it, gets a normal grab anyway. Falling up airs don't connect, so he goes for another grab, gets a jab. Wow! The moves couldn't get the knee, though. Rather unfortunate for Draxsel as Fun China makes it back to ledge, and he's brought this back and he gets the knee. Draxsel taking game one. So game one going to Draxsel. Dominant knee on the air dodge read. Hops right over him. Catches him right in the face. And we're going to game two, Town and City. Everybody knows the only maps in this game are from Animal Crossing. So, banana back in play, throws it down. Does connect with the banana, no grab. Unfortunate. Oh, wow, gets the dare already. Then the Falcon dive. Wow, it's a lot of off-stage shenanigans as the Falcon kick comes out. Dash attack is shielded. Fun China gets the grab. I'm sorry, Draxsel gets the grab. Picks up the banana, tries to throw it down. As Fun China recovers back to the ledge, gets a grab. Fair. Okay, another fair. Spot dodges that monkey flip. Another monkey flip gets caught by the up air. Grab, down throw, another up air. Goes for the neutral air. Second hit does collide. Knocking Fun China back. Does make it back to the stage here as Fun China just gets another grab, carrying him up. Fair comes through. Gets the banana, grab, up air, shouldn't kill yet, and does not. Banana comes back out. Tries to grab twice, doesn't do anything, but when Draxsel slips on that banana peel, takes a little bit, the Raptor boost again takes the stock. It's just so weird. It's like, I feel like not a lot of other Falcons get that much off a Raptor boost. If anything, they usually just get punished, so I mean, it's crazy. It's working out for Draxsel. He does take that stock with it. Draxsel is at a high percent though. Back air comes through. Whoa, okay. And he's gonna die. 2 back airs. And then Fun China hits him with the monkey flip, sends him towards the stage, and then Fun China dies. Wow. It's tough for me to wrap my head around it as it was happening. I couldn't really see what was happening. I thought he went for the Falcon dive, wanted to go take him off like that, and he almost did, I think. But it didn't matter because Fun China dies anyway as we go into this game 3. Draxsel up 2-0. And Banana now in Drax's hands. Never mind, on the ground. Oh, shielded, punched out of existence as Fun China gets another grab. Getting those back airs in. Grab from Draxsel, gets the nair, up air. And fair coming in from Fun China, trades. Another fair from Fun China. This time Draxsel carrying him way up. Oof! Huge, meaty forward smash, taking that stock away from Fun China. Draxsel now up, but Fun China's not gonna let it up that easy. I mean, like, he's already got him off stage, got a really nice percent lead now. Of course, because he just lost his stock, of course. It's Banana. Ooh, reads him. Couldn't get the grab, though. Just stood still. Great patience. Gonna get the down tilt, up smash, and it does take the stock, and we're even again. Draxsel runs in, gets the grab, forward throw, knocking him off stage, down throw this time. Ooh, looking for some shenanigans. He's looking for it. He gets the nair, and it's over. 3-0 Draxsel on a very smooth little combo right there.